your capital B Benoflin sum is here. So we're going to tell complex number in theory, okay? So for this I will take a note. So if you see I means you can take as imaginary number. For pronunciation is iota, okay? So this is from IOQM for this, okay? Okay. So the first one is what is complex number, okay? Or complex number. So complex number means, so we'll take a question, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. This is from quadratic formula. See, quadratic equation. So if you minus both sides, you will get x square is equal to minus 1. So if you put a root on both sides means, then you will get x is equal to root minus 1. The main problem is how can you solve this one. So that's where you're going. So iota is equal to root of negative 1. This only. So therefore in here x is equal to I. Okay, x is equal to I. Okay, this is how complex number was found. Okay, so I'll tell an example. I'll tell, okay, an example. So if you want to find minus 16, then we can take it as root 16 into root minus 1. Okay, one formula there like this. So root minus 16 into root minus 1 and root here minus 16. So is equal to like this means you can take as 4 iota. Okay, 4 iota. Okay, this is how I have to solve this question. Okay, but I think teachers didn't teach anything. So for splitting it, you know, like positive into positive is equal to positive. Well, that is okay. So negative into positive we can take as negative into positive. That's correct. Well, another one is negative into negative is equal to root of negative into root of negative. This one is wrong. Okay, y means we can take as 4. Okay, root of 4 you have known already. So we can take as root minus 2 into root minus 2. Root minus 2, root minus 2. So we can take as 2 is equal to, so this one will be equal to I root 2 and into I root 2. Then is equal to how much will come? Into this into. So I square into 2. This is equal to minus 2. So this will be wrong. Okay, so that's why it's not working with this. Okay, so we're going for next one. Okay, and one formula, z is equal to a plus iota b. Okay, this remember, for this it is for very useful for this. Okay, next one is operation of complex numbers. Okay, for this number one is, you can take as z1 is equal to a1 plus iota b1, z2 is equal to a2 plus iota b2. So the number one is z1 plus z2 is equal to what they asked means, then it will be like a1 plus a2, if we add means then we take common iota into b1 plus b2. This is the first formula. Second one is z1 minus z2, so is equal to a1 minus a2 plus iota into b1 minus b2. Okay, this one also. Third one is z1 into z2. Well, is equal to, we can take as a1 plus iota b1 into a2 plus iota b2. Take as a1 to a2 plus sorry, this is a1 to a2 plus iota a1 b2 plus iota b1 a2 plus will come, no minus will minus b1 b2. So we take is common like this, means we can take as a1 into a2 minus b1 into b2. So plus iota into a1 b2 plus b1 into a2. This one is for third one, okay. The fourth one is z1 by z2, okay. Z1 by z2. So for z1 by z2 means this we can take a1 plus iota b1 by a2 plus iota b2. So if you multiply a2 minus iota b2 on numerator and denominator, we can take it as how much means yeah, this much a1 a2 minus plus b1 b2 plus iota into a2 b1 minus a1 b2 by, for this we take as a2 square plus b2 square, okay. That's the formula for this, okay. Formula for this. So another one is there, okay. Another one is there, okay. So what's the reciprocal of z1, okay. Reciprocal of z1 is equal to, like, not z1, we can take z2, it's common, you know. So we can take as 1 by a plus iota b. You take multiply a minus iota b by a minus iota b is equal to, if you take means, then you will get like this one, a minus iota b by a square plus b square, okay. This is for fifth one, okay. The sixth one is modulus of a complex number, okay. Modulus you take as like this, z modulus, okay. Modulus take as z is equal to a plus iota b to take a. So we can take it as, what's the value for this, okay. Its value is a square plus b square. From triangle only, okay. From triangle only they are taking. And for seventh one is conjugate of a complex number, okay. Conjugate. So they told to find what is z, conjugate of z, okay, is equal to a minus iota b. It inverse like this. For example, a is equal to minus 6, b is equal to 2. So you can take as, then conjugate of z is equal to minus 6 plus 2, yeah, will come. Then conjugate will be minus 1 only, will change, okay. I think that's all. I think so. Yeah, that's all for operation of complex number. So next video I'm going to put as the questions for this, okay, solving questions, okay. So I think the video was over, okay. So your homework is to practice a lot, okay, for this, okay. So So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.